Year 4, so this is the second part of our lesson for the water cycle. We're going to talk about freezing and melting. So this is page 90 to 92 in your textbook. Okay, so your lesson objective for this lesson is to explain what melting and freezing does. Your steps to success is to write what state the water is before the process and write what state the water is after the process. So melting and freezing ani processes ni. So we'll explain what that means. So, changing states of water. If you notice, water ani boleh mengubah state. Sometimes ia boleh jadi liquid ke gas if kamu panaskan. Ia jadi liquid ke solid if kamu simpan dalam ice box. Sama kadang-kadang ia boleh jadi solid ke liquid bila ia cair. So, when water is heated, it gains heat. So, bila ia kena panaskan, air rata, ia mendapat panas lah. So, when water is cooled, it loses heat. Bila kamu sajukkan, ia hilang kepanasan itu. This gaining and losing of heat causes water to change form from one state to another. So, ia beritahu bila ia ada mendapat kepanasan atau hilang kepanasan, ia berubah state dari solid, liquid atau gas. So, for an example, we have a snowman. So, the snowman, when it gains heat, bila ia terkena kepanasan, ia akan cair. So, you see there, it's starting to melt. Ia punya ice ada yang hilang sikit, yang ada berisi sini, indah dia berisi, jadi kurus dia pulang. And then, if it keeps gaining heat, bila ia semakin panas, it could become just a puddle. So, ia jadi cair banar, di bawahnya agaknya tinggal. So, this is an example of what happens when it gains heat. Okay, so freezing. Apa kan freezing ani? Freezing ani bila membekukan air. So, when water loses heat, its temperature decreases. So, bila air ani hilang kepanasan, temperature-nya tu semakin turun. So, maybe awal-awal ia 40, bila kena sejukan ia jadi 30, 20, 10 ke 0. So, at 0 degrees Celsius, the liquid water changes to solid ice. This process is called freezing. So, bila ia sampai temperature 0 degrees Celsius ani, air menjadi ice. So, ani apa berlaku dalam your ice box. So, the temperature at which water changes from liquid to a solid 0 degrees Celsius is called the freezing point of water. So, 0 degrees Celsius itu di mana air berubah jadi ais, namanya freezing point of water. Freezing point of water. 0 degrees Celsius from liquid to solid. So, water, liquid, bila ia freezing, ia jadi ice, solid. Okay. Okay, so, ani terbalik. Kami start with ice this times. So, it says when ice gains heat, so ice itu ia mendapat panas. So, maybe awal-awal ia di bawah, limpas kosong ani. Negatif 20. Lepas satu panas, jadi negatif 10. Jadi panas lagi. Sampai arah 0 degrees Celsius ani. So, at 0 degrees Celsius, the solid ice changes to liquid water. So, dari ice, ia jadi water. This process is called melting. Melting dalam bahasa Melayu kami panggil cair. The temperature at which water changes from solid to liquid, 0 degrees Celsius, is called the melting point of ice. So, ani terbalik. Bukannya ia jadi liquid ke solid, ani dari ice ke air, dari solid ke liquid. So, ice changes from a solid to a liquid at 0 degrees Celsius. So, sama je nya macam freezing. Freezing arah 0 degree Celsius, melting pun arah 0 degree Celsius. So, from ice, bila ia melting, ia jadi liquid, water. Solid ke liquid, ice ke water, melting. So, ani in summary. So, if ia ke liquid ke solid, ia namanya freezing. If ia solid ke liquid, ia namanya melting. The melting point of ice and the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. So, melting point sama freezing point sama ia punya temperature, 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so for your exercise for today, you have to complete the worksheet states of water. So you have to complete the table. And then for freezing and melting, you do the exercise at your own home. Kamu boleh bagi teacher the result esok. You do page 48 and 49 in your workbook. Good luck you for